Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is square root of a plus square root of a divided by square root of a is equals to square root of a. And we solve this problem for all the values of a. So first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, we need to remove this fraction from here, and for this we move the term square root of a to the right hand side. When we move it to the right hand side, we will get square root of a plus square root of a is equals to, here when we move to the right hand side, it is multiplied by this square root of a. And further, in the next step, in the left hand side, you see here we have square root of a plus square root of a. These are the two same variable terms. When we add two same variable terms, we add its coefficients, and the coefficient of both of these two terms are 1, so we get here 2. So we get 2 times of square root of a is equals to. In the same pattern, when we multiply two same variable term, we add its exponents. So the exponent of both of these two terms are 1. So we write it as a square root of a and its whole square. Further, in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and we get 2 times of square root of a is equals to this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here a only. And now we need to find all the roots of this equation. So for this, we need to remove the square root sign from left hand side. So for this, we need to apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, we just apply these 2 separately on both of these two values, and we get 2 square into square root of a and its whole square is equals to, this is a square. And now further, in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and we obtain this is 2 square becomes 4. This 2 and square root are gone, and we get here a is equals to a square. And further, in the next step, we move the term 4a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes a square minus 4a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve a, so that we will be take common a from here, and when we take common a, we get the remaining values are a minus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further, in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a minus 4 equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 4 to the right hand side, and we get the value of a is equals to plus 4. This is the second root of the given equation. So we obtain these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, uh, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of a plus square root of a divided by square root of a is equals to square root of a. So this is the our given question statement, and here we need to verify the above two values of a. So here in this side we will be verify a is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 4. So first we substitute a is equals to 0 on both of the sides of the given equation. So when we put it here, it will becomes square root of 0 plus square root of 0 divided by square root of 0 is equals to square root of 0. And further, in the next step, we have this is 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So further, in the next step, you see that in the left hand side we have this is 0 over 0 form. So this means that our left hand side be the indeterminate form. or in other words, we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value a is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we will be called that a equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now in the same pattern, we need to verify the second value of a. So here we put a is equals to 4 on both of the sides, and it will be written as square root of 4 plus square root of 4 divided by square root of 4 is equals to square root of 4. So further in the next step, here we need more simplification here, and this is the square root of 4 becomes 2 plus this square root of 4 becomes 2 divided by square root of 4 becomes 2 is equals to, this is square root of 4 is also becomes here 2. And now in the next step we have, this is 2 plus 2 becomes 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. And in the next step we have, we need to cancel both of these two terms, and we get 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we obtain here 2 is equals to 2. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value a is equals to 4 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is a is equals to 4. This is the only one solution which we get here in this method. And now we again solve this problem for second method, and for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of a plus square root of a divided by square root of a is equals to square root of a. This is our given question statement, and here in our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of the given equation. So first we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction it will be written as square root of a divided by square root of a plus square root of a divided by square root of a is equals to square root of a. And further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as this square root of a and this square root of a are gone, and we get here 1 plus this square root of a and this square root of a are also gone, and we get here 1 is equals to square root of a. So here we will get 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to square root of a. So for the values of a, we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. So we have this 2 square becomes 4 is equals to this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here a only. So further or finally we have the value of a is equals to 4, which we get here in the second method. But in the first method we already verified that this value of a is satisfied our given question statement, and finally we have the solution set of the given question is a equals to 4. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.